In this video, I will show you how to install Warzone 2 on a PC or laptop. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial, and the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your preferred browser and come across to google.com. So what you can do is come across to the official Call of Duty website and download it that way, but what I tend to do is come to the search and type in Warzone 2. And what you're going to want to do is click the top result down here. So once you get onto the website, this is going to take you directly to the Warzone 2.0 page, and from here what you want to do is just simply scroll down the page just slightly and you're going to get some options available. As you can see, it's completely free to play. There are some in-game purchases, but what you need to do from here is choose the platform that you would like to play on. So in this example, because we're going to be going for PC or laptop, what I'm going to do is go ahead and download battle.net. There is also Steam available if you do prefer to run it through Steam, so it is completely down to personal preference. And what you want to do is basically scroll down and you'll see the play for free button down here. What you want to do is just scroll down a bit and just basically check the system requirements. With it being quite a newish game, what you want to do is check obviously that you have the minimum requirements at least for this to be playable. So you can see down here by clicking on that link the details. So you've got processors, memory of 8GB of RAM, Intel Core i3, Core i5 or an AMD Ryzen, as well as the recommended video cards and so on and so forth. Bear in mind this is the minimum, so what's going to happen is with these bare minimum you'll be able to run it on a lower graphics setting, but of course the more powerful the PC you are using, the more upgraded the graphics and things like that are going to be. So once you've gone ahead and checked this first of all, what you're then going to want to do is just scroll back to the top and click on the play for free button down here. So you see this is going to take me to a screen that says prepare to drop in. Call of Duty Warzone 2.0 is being downloaded, and you can see that's being downloaded. If it doesn't start downloading, just simply go ahead and click the try again link down here. But once that's done down here, all you want to do is click that to open up the setup wizard. And if you're on a Windows PC and you've got like the security thing where you get a pop-up if you don't install apps from the Microsoft Store, of course just go ahead and click install anyway. And then what you want to do is just run through the steps dependent on whether you're doing battle.net or Steam. And the actual installation process is going to vary. Obviously, as I say, it depends on the power of your PC or laptop and how much virtual memory you have and RAM and how quickly it can process and things like this. So all you want to do is just run through the setup wizard, go ahead and install that as normal. And then once that's done, what you want to do is restart your PC and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to play Warzone 2. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you dropped a like on the video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.